Want to turn your two-dimensional ideas into a three-dimensional reality? Let's take a look at what's coming out of the Rapid Manufacturing program at Saddleback College.
We're going to do some silicone casting. Let's talk a little bit about different kinds of silicone. Rapid Technologies allows us to take three-dimensional computer data and create real-world objects out of that in a short amount of time. All right, so we're going to do some silicone casting. Let's talk a little bit about different kinds of silicone.
Using a hands-on approach for education and training is critical in our opinion.
The equipment you see in our laboratory is the same equipment industry uses. Okay, open the door.
And in our lab, the students run the equipment.
We want the students to be able to be confident, and we want them to be proficient.
Me, I'm a real mechanical person, but put me in a classroom, I'm not really into it. You know, getting your hands in there and seeing this product come out of nothing is pretty amazing. And just to watch the way a part is made is really cool.
And in our opinion, that's the only way to learn is hands-on, let them make mistakes. They're not going to hurt the machine. They learn and they don't forget. Many of the companies, particularly the Fortune 50s that are involved with our operation out of Rapid Tech, are interested in bringing their high-end manufacturing design and tooling back from overseas, which is going to create very high-wage jobs here. And there's a shortage of technicians, so we're in the right place at the right time to help.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the vacuum on. Large aerospace companies are now looking at finding new ways to make products. Our students have the skills to complete those tasks, and they fill that void for companies. This gauge here will tell us how much vacuum.
We've had offers from companies to hire our entire class sight unseen because of the way we go about teaching technicians how to work in an industrial environment.
What I learned from the projects we do with companies, we turn right back around and filter it through the classroom. Okay, here's what the company's going to be looking for in the next 3 years for employees. So let's incorporate that and let's give those students the skills that these employers are going to be looking for.
Companies are looking for this right now because it is more or less the wave of the future. And so me knowing how to do it puts me in a better spot than a lot of people.
For us students, we're actually working in the field, but we're also learning at the same time. So it's kind of like an internship, but we're getting paid for it.
If I can have a really cool job, working for a company, making good money and doing something that's really fun and hands-on, that's all good by me.
I've always dreamed of being able to design my part. Yeah, I got it on the computer. Wow, I want to actually physically have it. I want to see what it looks like. So now I'm actually able to prototype something. It may not be the actual material that I want, but I have a physical model now.
Part of the fun and the excitement we have, it's a wow factor every time we walk in the lab.
Hands-on learning with industry standard equipment and paid internships that could lead to full-time high-tech careers. For more information on Rapid Manufacturing programs, be sure to visit your local community college.